Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the RhinoFLEX Tote Tank Sewer Hose Kit. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another new Camco video. The RhinoFLEX Tote Tank Sewer Hose Kit is designed to make using your portable tote tank as easy and secure as possible. The RhinoFLEX hose is made up of heavy-duty polyolefin that's 23 mils thick, and it's reinforced with steel wire so you can bend it and shape it however you want. On one end of the hose is a Bayonet swivel fitting that connects directly to your RV sewer valve. The other end of the sewer hose has a 90-degree clear elbow that connects to your tote tank using another Bayonet swivel fitting. The 90-degree elbow minimizes kinking and helps create downhill flow for easier dumping. And it's clear so you can see when your RV sewer tank is empty. The kit is 3 feet long when extended and 19 inches long when compressed, which makes it easy to store. It also comes with 2 storage caps. So there you have it, the RhinoFLEX Tote Tank Sewer Hose Kit from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today. It's totes worth it.
Camco.net.